Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all doing well. Root Beer here with another University of Waterloo high school level math contest. This time it'll be the grade 11 Fermat paper from the year 2008. And you can get a copy of this contest right here by clicking the very first link in the description and try it out for yourself. And then you can come watch the videos and see how I do things. You might learn a new technique, or you might learn how to do a question a little faster, or just be able to do a question that you couldn't do previously. But I'd say the most important thing is for you guys to practice. So the Fermat, if you're not familiar with it, is a 1 hour long multiple choice contest. There's only 5 given answers, only one of them is correct. And we've got 25 questions. Calculators are allowed, in case you're wondering. I do have mine, although I try to avoid using it as much as possible. It's separated into 3 parts, A, B, and C. The questions get harder. The points that they are worth increase as well. And we'll just go 1 question per video. So in this video, of course, we'll start off with question number 1 here. And this is usually a very basic arithmetic question, either on the Pascal, Cayley, or Fermat paper. They always start off with a very simple arithmetic question. So 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared divided by 1 times 2 times 3. Well, let's write it down a little bit in our notepad, but we're just going to simplify this quite quickly. Some of you out there will be able to do this very quickly on your calculator. Some of you out there will be able to do this in your head without using a calculator at all. And that's fine too. Question 1 is not something you're really supposed to be worrying about. The only thing I'm worrying about is, did I copy this down correctly? I did. Okay. So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4, then 3 times 3, which is 9, then 4 times 4, which is 16. 1 times 2 times 3 is 6, all along the bottom there. 1 and 9 is 10, 4 and 16 is 20, so the top here is 30. 30 over 6, 30 divided by 6 is 5. So we just ask ourselves, is 5 one of the possible answers? Yeah, it's D. So on the real contest, in real life, whatever year you're planning on writing it, you bubble this in on a provided Scantron sheet in pencil, and you can move right along to question number 2, and that's what we're going to do. So I'll see you for question number 2 in the next video. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you then.